Okay, so hello and welcome, and in this video I'm explaining what is Halestead rule. It is the first analytical rule in software engineering. As I am saying that it is an analytical rule, it consists of numbers. So number is basically we are going to measure the length of the code and we are going to measure the volume of the code and make sure that just remember that the volume of the code is based on the programming language that you are using. Okay, so this rule is totally based on the two things, that is operator and operand. So if you are not familiar with that, I'm just explaining in the two. I'm just by the simple example I'm going to explain it. Okay, suppose an expression is given. Expression is nothing but the collection of operator and operands. Okay, so this is a into b is given. So if we talk about what is the operand there, so operands are the nothings but a and b are the operands, and the operator that are performing between these two is what? Asterisk, that is multiplication, and the combination of a into b is known as expression. So Halestead rule is basically based on these two things, operator and operand. So first of all, we have to calculate the number of unique operators in our expression, denoted by n1. Okay, unique operators, and n2 is nothing but the unique number of operands. So n1 and n2 are nothing but the unique number of operators and unique number of operands, and capital N1 is the total number of operators in complete code, and n2 is same as total operands. Okay, so these two parameters are breaking into four parameters like a unique and the total. The whole Halestead rule is basically based on these two things. If we are going to measure the length of the code, so length of the formula for the length of code, just can be determined by n1 log base 2 n1 plus n2 log base 2 n2, and the volume of code equals to n, when n is nothing but the total number of operators in your code, and n1 plus n log base 2 n1 plus n2. Okay, so these two formulas, first is for the length of the code and the volume of the code, is used in a Halestead rule principle or in computer science. Okay, so and the one thing, remember that these operations should perform after the designing phase, because in designing phase most of the code has been done and we can change if required. We can sort of the code by doing this applying Halestead principle in our coding. So make sure this should be done after the designing phase. And this is all about the Halestead rule, and the uses I told you, length of the code and the volume of the code, and volume of the code is based on which programming language you are using. Okay, so this is all about the Halestead rule in computer science. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you.